What is the biggest mistake you've ever made? Letting life take away one thing that means so much to you. God knows I hold him in high esteem. Give me one more chance, please, and I will make things right with you, oh Lord. Please. Just one more chance, I beg you.
I don't get it. I don't understand how I came to live with a useless man in this house. I don't understand this. Please, Richard, what kind of uselessness is this one? What kind of uselessness is this one in this house, please?
How can you even talk to me like this? When I explain everything to you.
Please, what did you explain to me? What have you actually explained to me? Is it that you explained to me how you got our account from all top to bottom? 4 million, from 4 million to 10,000 naira. Does it make sense to you? What kind of a useless, futile, nonsense project have you got?
No. That is exactly where you'll be crossing your lines with me.
Excuse you?
Don't you ever call my project a useless project.
Or what? What will you do? I have said it. Your project is a useless, messed up, rubbish project. That is what it is. I don't get it. I have been here messing I have been thinking so hard. Is this how we're going to? All of a sudden, the next thing you will do is, Judith, sit down, please. Let's talk about having a child. Is this how I'm supposed to have a child? With all of this thing, is this how I'm supposed to have a child? Please tell me, this useless man. Is this how I'm supposed to sit down, relax my mind, and on my ovaries carry a child?
Judith, I won't have you talk to me like this in this house, please.
That is it. You said what? This house. A man will say my house. But no, you, this house. Because what? You are irresponsible. You are not paying the bills. This light in this house is my own making. The food you eat is my making. The fact that this slippers is my making. So you can never in your entire life say my house. And that is too bad. You're a useless and irresponsible man, please. What's wrong with you?
Can you hear yourself? Is this how you now address me?
Please.
Useless?
Yes! How am I supposed to address you? Your kingship, sir? Is that it? Your lordship, sir? Is that it? You want me to use my tuning and say, hello, sir? I will not do it. I'm here to call you a failure. I don't understand. Jesus Christ. How did I even get myself in this mess? How did I... You used to be a very smart, brilliant... Richard, before I married you, you were looking good. You made me believe that you were focused. You had direction in life. You know what you were doing. You are a go-getter. But now, you're not getting anything. You're useless. You're messed up. Everything about you just irritates me.
Now, can I warn you? Can I warn you straight? Do not, in your entire human life, call me failure. Don't!
I said I am here to call you failure. That is it. You are actually losing your brain cells because you can no longer understand simple English. I said I am yet to. And now you are... Maybe you are rubbish. Failure nonsense! I don't get all this rubbish. This is absolutely gibberish nonsense. I don't get it. I don't even understand. See, you this man...
Let's gotten over her. What demon has possessed her this night?
Excuse me, I can hear you from here. You are the demon. It's you that demon has possessed, and you need to go to church and pray that rubbish out. Listen to the impact. Waste that nonsense. This man, you need to behave yourself. Here, take it. You are sleeping here tonight. Rubbish. Nonsense. Let me hear you again. What am I even saying? I think it's time I give myself a break because I cannot tolerate this anymore. I don't want this trouble in my house. I'm running mad. God!
Good morning. Please give me one sachet of milk.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. When I'm back from work, I will come and balance you, yeah?
I beg, give me. Give me first now.
I will come and balance you once I come back from work.
Give me. When you get the money, you'll come buy milk.
Arolake, now I will give you the money, please.
Oga, I just the open shop now. You want come buy credit for my hand? Which kind of bad luck be that one now? I beg, anytime when you get money, you come back, come collect.
It's okay. Oh yeah, give me back the 15 naira. Let me sort myself out.
Give you back with 15 naira.
This one that I gave to you.
Oga, I don't understand. The other day when you come here, come buy, what you buy soap. You tell me say you go balance me. You don't balance me. Answer me now.
I will still come and balance now. It's early morning. Let me prepare for work.
You like say you know like as I dey respect you. I don't want to insult you, I beg. See, if you get money, just come back, come buy. Don't make me go cut my milk.
Hello?
Wow.
Hello?
Which kind of bad luck people be this?
Okay.
Early morning, you just walk on.
Tony, which one be saw the keke where you see send a drop in the go? No carry drop, come here, no get money to pay for drop. Eh? Enter keke now. This man. No spoil my day, oh. No spoil my day. You know, say every morning you suppose they here can't start this motor for me. You know as the motor they take the begin. You be my new mechanic. I be the person where they handle this motor. I bet they come, I beg, I just said they wait for you.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yes. You're welcome to Property Trade Limited.
Thank you, sir.
All right. I want you people to know more about Property Trade Limited. I want you to understand that this company is a third-party company. We procure properties from third parties and sell. We market them. We also deal on building materials. Okay? I want you people to understand that your salary is based on commission. All right?
Andy.
Sir.
Welcome, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, sure. Can we see in the office?
All right, sir. So, like I said, your salary is based on commission. So you have to work hard. All right? Another thing, if you want to get yourself more abreast, look at the customer service philosophy. It will guide you. All right, see you later. Sir, you sent for me.
Andy.
Sir.
Please, sit down.
All right, sir. A quick one, sir.
All right.
I called the consultant, and he said he will get to me by noon.
Okay, Andy, I would like you to extend the meeting with the director of the pensions board by an hour.
Sir, that would be encroaching on the meeting we have with the employees.
Andy, you should know by now that I have absolute confidence in your ability. So, you are going to supervise our meeting on my behalf.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.
Yeah. One more thing, sir.
Okay.
A memo came from M&L Limited requesting us to manage their properties. And they told me they have 500 hectares in the core area.
Wow.
Which we can do with.
That is a good news. Wow, Andy. Okay. You know what you are going to do? You are going to put together a team that is going to profile the property and subsequently supervise it. That is what you are going to do. Is there any other thing we need to do?
Not really, sir.
Okay.
All right, sir. Take care, sir. very first impression. And first impression.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Please, apologies. My car developed a little fault this morning.
Well, we've wasted reasonable time waiting for you. Let's jump right into it.
Thank you very much, sir. I am Mr. Richards. I am the founder of BitTune. BitTune is an entertainment platform that seeks to provide global audience and recognition for young, talented musicians. As we all know, there has been a major concern in the music industry with the record labels acting as gatekeepers at the expense of other talented artists. So we created this strong platform that will help the young musicians to gain international recognition from the comfort of their home. This application makes use of interactive storytelling features, virtual reality concert experience, AI-powered digital personalization, and blockchain-based digital collectibles for revenue generation.
Yes, babe, I can hear you.
Then say something.
I sent you money just last week when I received my salary. 100K. And this is just the beginning of a new month. I told you so the same.
The money has finished. It was not even enough for what I wanted to do with it.
Babe, you're really spending way too much. I need you to cut down on your expenses.
And stop being a baddie for you. No way. Look, just send me 50K and I'll manage it for the weekend.
You manage 50K for the weekend?
How is that my fault? It's not my fault that things are expensive in this country now. Look, are you sending it or not?
It's okay, I will send it. Merci.
The fight, sir. Colony Consult Limited.
Looks good. I want you to open another file for M&L Limited. Make sure you submit the two before the end of work today.
Okay, sir.
Hey,
Sir.
next time, do not stand at my back like that.
I'm sorry, sir.
Good.
That was very, very good, Mr. Richard. I must say I am very impressed, really. And our company will do business with you, but on our terms, of course, yeah? Oh, Judith.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Richard, meet Judith. She is one of our newly transferred staff from the headquarters. It was important she be here today for this briefing. I must also use this opportunity to commend her effort in getting us to look at this. Truth is, we didn't intend to show it any interest, but she put up a pretty strong and convincing argument that made us look at the prospects of your project. So, here we are.
Oh, this is a total buyout clause.
It's come on, we're offering 20 million outrightly, and then you get an opportunity to play a minor role in it. Also, you really need to understand that we need consent so that we can facilitate the program, okay?
It's okay. Can I have this?
No, you should take it. Okay, please, sir, just give me a little moment with him, okay? Let me just talk to him.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Please, follow me, please.
How you doing? Some coffee. Yes.
We're actually trying to offer you 20 million naira. Why are you carrying that money? I understand what is what because I know you started it, but I'm the one telling you you need to trust in me. What are you doing? I don't understand it. Do you know what it took me for the board to approve of this?
Bidtone is worth a fortune. And selling it off for just 20 million naira is madness to me.
It is not madness. And I am not saying that you should sell it 20 million naira. Listen to me, right? 20 million is big. 20 million is a lot of money. Have you ever thought about what we would do with 20 million naira? Come on now, it's a big deal.
Oh, no, it's not. Look, there are over 7 billion people on the planet.
Okay.
Yes. So if Bidtone streams 500 million monthly for a year, even if I have just 5%, I will be making over 1 billion. So selling it off for just 20 million naira, I'm sorry, I can't.
I don't understand you, but all I'm saying is you need to listen to me and listen very, very good right now. 20 million is big. It is a lot. See, I understand what you're saying because actually your project, it passed through my table. I saw everything and I read through it and I understand it. But I am the one telling you now that you need to consider this. Listen, this your streaming thing, it's madness.
I can see this conversation is taking longer than expected, but it's all right. I will leave you in her hands, but I will advise you to consider our offer. Huh?
Oh, yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you.
I understand how you feel, but you need to be easy on yourself. Find a better way of having the conversation with him. He just might see reason.
Can nobody understand the deepest of my thoughts? So I never say a word, 'cause the world will judge me for it.
How far now?
Oga.
What's wrong?
I dey come first, make I check all this. Wetin you say even happen again, sir?
I don't know now. As you do the motor finish for morning, I go my presentation finish. I just dey drive, they come, they check. I don't know. Wetin dey wrong again now?
Oga, as dinner like this now, make I see. Wetin spoil for this your car? Dey very, very expensive. I dey tell you, very, very expensive. And as it don't be like this now, I don't know how it go be, but more dey look, sha.
Talk now, do something now. Make I reach house first, I beg.
No wahala, sha. Say, Oga, wetin go be? I go just suggest for you. See this your car? Now to just fling am.
To sell my leg while they use the waka, they find job.
E be like say no one sell this your car. This your see now. This your car don't finish. You don't finish. See if you don't sell am now, I swear to you. Now abogi people now them go come scatter and put am, go don scrap. And if you don't scrap, you don't say no go be sell am again. So I go advise you to sell this car now.
The problem don't reach like that.
Don't pass, oh my Oga, don't pass.
God, wetin I go. I know say you no go lie for me, sha. I know say like how much we fit sell am.
That one now wey me and look on you. I don't know, but I go check.
No wahala, take.
I go check.
Andy, where you there? I beg. I want you to come and pick me up. In front of Suntown filling station, yeah. Along the express.
Thank you so much, man. I owe you one.
It's nothing. So, what is your plan?
Nothing for now. I'll just go have some rest and think later.
It's fine. And about your wife, I want you to take everything easy. Take it easy with her. I believe she will come through.
I hope so. Aren't you coming outside?
No, not today. I have to go pick Rose. We have an appointment. I don't want to be late. See you some other time.
Andy, please, for the money, just give me a little time, I'll pay back, please.
That one. Forget about that one. Bro, you be my guy now. Forget that.
Thank you, man. Thank you so much.
Hey, I made food.
I'm not hungry.
I'm sorry, Richard. Listen. Richard, I am sorry. Listen, I know that I've not been treating you right for the past few weeks, but I just want you to know that I care about you.
And you think I don't care about you?
I know. I know that you care about me. That's the reason I made sure that your proposal was approved. And also I went to the extent of, you know, making sure they transfer me to the headquarters just so I'll be close to the board.
Thank you. But I want you to know that I made the best decision out there today. And I'm sorry if it hurt you.
It's fine. I'll set the table. Just freshen up, okay? I just wanted to apologize so you'd eat.
Babe.
Yep.
You said the 50K I sent to you was for the weekend.
Yes.
How come you're not saying that you want to spend the weekend in my place?
So you're not happy?
It's not like I'm not happy, but...
But what? Look, I am getting irritated by your constant nagging. See, you know like this when you're chasing me.
I wasn't like that until we got a new president. Everybody is now adjusting to the new economy. You have to adjust too.
I beg your pardon? Wait, hold on. You mean I should adjust my beauty? Like I shouldn't make my hair anymore, shop, do my nails or glam up because of a new president?
Babe, that's not what I'm saying.
Then what are you saying? Look, bro, maybe if there's anyone who needs to adjust, it's you. Maybe you should adjust to a low-budget girlfriend. Someone who doesn't need to make her hair, shop, or do her nails. Hell, someone who doesn't even see her period. So that you don't have to worry about toiletries or sanitary pad. Because I am tired of your constant nagging each time you send me 50K.
I didn't just send 50K. I sent 100K 4 days ago.
That's 150K. It's not even up to 20 million in a week.
Wait, is that not the standard?
Oh, come on, don't be silly.
Babe, you know I love you so much. And I don't like it each time I shout at you. You know that.
Why are you always nagging, cough, small money?
Come to me.
She don't have to say the nicest words to me and it makes my heart melt. Stop complaining about money. You don't want me to be badly for you anymore.
I'm beginning to see that your parents really spoiled you.
Oh, please, Meta, this girl, what do you expect?
I love you.
I love you too.
Delicious.
Thank you.
I've really missed a lot, especially your food.
But honey, I didn't stop you from, taking anything, eating.
What would you have me do when you started cooking and locking in the freezer, even the beverages?
Come on. But you still went in there and took what you wanted. You finished everything.
Maybe I was hungry. So I took the key.
No. You stole the key.
No, I didn't steal the key.
Babe, what are you saying? You stole the key. This was it.
Okay, I stole the key.
Honey.
I missed you.
Hey, hold on.
Which one be hold on? You still dey sleep like this? Huh? I've been calling and knocking. What's up now?
I'm good. What's up? You know, this is weekend. And it's the only time I have to rest. Come inside.
Come on here. To sleep.
Sit down.
Na weekend.
Hey,
Na
my
weekend. Oga, we never make am o. No dey too sleep like say you get where you pack money keep
I'll
abeg.
not be like you, guy. What's up? What's the plan?
We get pending deal now. We get pending deal, guy. Look, I won't make the show continue. Huh? Especially now that my proposal is gaining attention. We could take the bull by the horn now. Our hand don't too cold.
That's true, but I think we need a break until we get a sponsor.
Now waiting carry me come with that.
Richard, I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
Oh, God. This one different. As it be now, I don't get some top connect for the industry. We go fit help me pull the likes of Olamide Bado, Ruga, Don Jazzy, and all these big boys for industry. I get them.
They go come the show.
No, they no go come. Now just for them to, help us post them for their story, for IG, X, and Facebook. So make people that aware say person they do something.
So who be this your connect when they talk about?
You won't know the person, I be you trust me, so I get her.
What be the person's name now?
Casey.
Casey.
Jeffrey Joe now. I talk better till you they laugh.
Casey Jeffrey Joe. That noise maker. See me, I clear you, eh? Now rock you, Jamu. That guy na noise maker. That guy not get level. You never get the muzzle to put those people, all those names when you dey call. So, man, I clear you. You see those people? They're not going to show anywhere for that guy matter. For you to pull those heavy names to come hype your show, you need a high-profile connect. See that guy? I bet forget that guy. Nonsense guy now they talk about.
I think not beside I don't think but I really want us to start up another street show. You don't say now. I know they do anything, no.
Bro, let's face reality. Doing a street show is not a problem. But remember the last one we did. We spent over 5 million naira and it all went down the drain. Even if my bread business we put that money, we will make small profit. Not understand me. I think it's high time you took to working. You need a job. You get to work, take care of family. Then you cannot have time to do your proposal. Bros, show business is capital intensive and we not get the money. Think now.
Okay. Make I waka. I get one small paro. I want go check.
Stay small now, at least food at the house.
Okay, make I go find something for us and I will call you. Ready to talk food.
This guy will never relent.
Hey sis, who is your sister? Rose, where are you coming back from?
I don't understand.
What don't you understand? You will step out of this house. Nobody knows where you're coming from. Where are you coming from?
But you know where I've been. I've been in my boyfriend's house and I don't understand. Why are you acting like it's new? Sorry.
This boyfriend of yours, when am I meeting him? You've heard about Port Harcourt boys, Abi? You know how they behave. You want someone to break your heart. This small heart you have, you want someone to break it.
Why are you paranoid? He's not like that. But don't worry, I'll talk to him. I'll talk to him to come and pay you a visit. But in the way you're making it sound like it's serious, I'm not interested in getting married to him. I don't want to get married.
Because I'll slap you. I said I want to see him. He will come to this house and meet your elder sister. Do you understand that?
Fine.
You will go to him and you tell him that your elder sister wants him to come to... Rose.
Ma'am? I've told you. I'll talk to him. No problem. Fine, I'll talk to him. I'll bring him. But me, I don't want to get married. I've told you before. I don't feel like settling down. I'm just catching my vibes. You know, living the life. Anyways, what's new? What's the emergency? Calm down. You're too paranoid.
Okay. I got a call from Dad. And I need to be in Abuja before 4 p.m.
Oh, there's no problem. Is Daddy okay?
Daddy on business. You know how it goes. Right.
No, not my business.
Hold your 2 ears. But if I slap you this...
You don't realize I'm no longer a baby, right?
If I... Rose. Rose.
Yeah.
I am traveling. You will not squander my money. You will not squander my hard-earned money. And then you not go and take my card and be buying stupid stuffs for your friend. And then you don't bring anyone into this house. Only you stays in this...
I can hear you now. I'm okay, fine, I'm paying attention.
What did I say?
No squandering of money. Don't bring anyone into the house. I know, I didn't get the rest. But then I understand. Fine, okay, fine. I agree, I understand. It's fine.
Rose. Rose.
What?
Okay. You know my password now, Abi?
Yeah, I know.
I trust you. You know now.
I know.
Shay. Okay. You don't see the place now?
Yes. I'll be making payment tonight. I'll pay for 2 years. Make my phone just come up small.
No problem, sir. Thank you very much.
I'll pay for 2 years.
Thank you, Chief.
All right. Well done.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
We never finish now. You can't make payment without settling the agents now.
I have paid him now. I've settled him. You not tell him? I beg, man, I've settled him.
You don't come tell me saying don't drop the money now.
Which money?
Our agency money now. Which one be which money? No be house we just rent.
You better go meet your clients, collect agency money for you. See, I seen the worker they go now, so.
I don't understand. How I want to go meet them on top of this small money?
You go charge different, I charge different. You know good now.
See, make I tell you, agency policy number 1. Eh? When you bring clients, you collect there. When you cannot come here, I collect here. It's called Inyendeba. Inyendeba. They don't tell you about that one.
I beg, no, they play this kind of play. Which kind of talk with this? I get Wi-Fi at the video. Give me this thing, make I take waka beg.
Me no be like say they say I dey wicked.
I beg, do.
Yeah, you hold this 1,000.
For waiting. For transport, where I use the carry and the waka up and down before we meet you. Or waiting, I don't understand.
You go collect, I mean no go collect.
This is where they find a trouble, and me, I don't like trouble. Which kind of problem be this now?
If I nod you, you go collect, leave am. Say here now, if you no go collect.
It's not fair. Oh.
Now, you never start this work. You go by apprenticeship first. Learn the work well before you start them. Ever now call me and now room without children there.
But I won't use 1,000 naira do now. Yeah? What is this one if you buy from me now? Honey?
Are you being serious right now? You know you could have just come to ask me instead of sneaking into the kitchen like a thief.
Baby, I thought we settled this last night. Huh?
We need to talk. We need to talk, please.
What's up?
I'm good. Are you still angry at me?
No, why?
Because you walked out on me earlier.
Oh, my love, I'm sorry. I had an important appointment to catch up. It's business. Hmm?
Okay. Honey.
Yeah.
The house lawyer came by today. He came to remind us that the house rent will be expiring in 2 months' time and we need to renew.
Oh yes, I already started making plans for that, but that will be after my show.
You're planning a show?
Yes, baby. You see, this time is something different and I can assure
I can assure you. Yes, I can assure you, I can assure you, I can assure you. That is all I've been hearing. What is it? I don't get it. This, I can assure you, was actually what made me relax, and you spent 5 million naira out of our savings for a project. What is it? A show that was futile. And that was 3 months ago. Have you forgotten? 3 months ago. Not long ago. So,
I have savings.
Okay.
I sold my car.
Jesus. You what? You sold your car? Why?
Because the car developed more mechanical fault than I could handle. So Tony advised me to sell it and I did.
Okay, fine. Tony advised you to sell it and you did. That's fine. I'm really, really sorry that you sold your car. But you wanting to use the proceeds from your car selling to finance what? Another show? I don't buy it. Sincerely speaking, I don't buy it at all, at all, at all. All you need to do right this minute is for you to go get a job. Take responsibilities. Handle things like a man, because I'm really running mad. I am tired of taking...
But I'm trying.
You're trying?
Yes.
Really, it's not about you trying. It's about you getting a job and taking responsibilities and take to some things. Ease me off of some workload.
Babe, look. I appreciate all you do to keep the house running. But all you need to do for me right now is to be more patient with me.
Patient? I have been patient for good 5 years. I have been patient for good 5 years. You need to get a job. You need to do something or else it happens. Rubbish. Excuse me, please. You want to do a nonsense show?
Uncle, good afternoon.
So what are you doing here?
Look, I'm sorry. I tried calling you before coming, but I couldn't get through to you.
What? Hey, Debbie.
Sister,
I don't understand. Good day. Why didn't you call me?
Sister, I'm sorry. I tried calling you before coming, but I couldn't get through to you. And it was so impromptu that I had to come.
I hope everything is okay. How is school?
School is fine.
Okay.
Yeah. Hey, Uncle, I need money. Uncle, I need money for my clearance and to pay my rent.
Okay. So how much are we talking about?
Okay, just 180K.
Sorry, baby.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Can this money wait till the end of the month?
Uncle, I need it this week. And today is just 3rd.
I can understand, but you know how the country is right now.
Debbie, I'm going to give you the money, okay? 180, you say? Okay, I'll add 20,000 naira extra.
Thank you so much.
Come on, it is fine.
See why I love you.
I love you too.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, baby. It's fine.
Oh my God.
What about your friends in school?
I'm not looking bad.
Right? I'm not looking bad.
I missed you so much.
I missed you too.
Oh, so what am I supposed to do? What you give me excuses? Is that it?
You let me talk as the man of the house.
You are not the man of the house until you start taking responsibilities and start doing what a man is supposed to do.
Perhaps you will not responsible to put some respect on my name. I'm trying to respect the situation. And I won't have this conversation ever again.
Oh, please! Where do you think you're going to? I will not let you be.
Sister.
Hey, hi.
My presence isn't causing any problem.
No.
Sister,
No.
we'll go back to school, you know.
No, there's no point. Come on. Debbie. Everything is fine, okay? No, come on. There's nothing. It's just, I think, you know, men just have their ways.
Are you sure?
I'm very certain. I'm sure. Why do you still have your bag? Go to the kitchen and get something to eat, okay? Please. Okay. Your favorite is in the fridge. Okay.
Malik!
Boss, is that you?
Lift him up.
Boss, I don't die. Quick.
You think you can run away from me?
No, how can... I cannot run away.
Where's my money? You came to my club. You used my space for your flop show. Your DJ blew my speaker. Damaged my equipment.
Boss, no be sad thing. No be sad thing, plan now. Boss,
Raise him up.
Boss, no be sad thing, plan now.
You remember what you told me? You said you can make this place happen.
100%, boss. 100%. I can make it happen. Trust me. Just give me the opportunity, please.
How do you intend to do that?
Boss, I have Connect. I mean, Industry Connect. The likes of Don Jazzy,
Olamide Bado, Charlie Poppy, Ruga. I can't pull those men up. They are all my guys. Even DJ Spinner. Yes, boss.
I accept.
Boss!
I'll give you the money.
Twale! Shansa! I salute you. Boss, I promise not to disappoint. I will deliver. That's 100%, trust me.
You can use my club as well.
The boss! I hail you! Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. I promise not to fail you. I will deliver.
Not fuck up.
Boss, I won't take fuck up for this mouth-watering opportunity now. Huh? Thank you, sir. I salute you. Babao, babao. My hand there for you, sir.
Boss, I'm sorry. No beside me, plan.
You made me invest my money into your show with the hope that Olamide Bado, Charlie Poppy, the Pluto Presido, you come?
Boss, they disappoint
What is this other guy's name that said he's a babu he came from the zoo? Portable.
Boss, they disappoint me. Well, trust me, I can't connect to.
That they will come to my club. It was all lies.
I go still bring them, I beg.
And after that, boom! You went into a station.
Hey! Forgive me, I beg. Not this
Raise him up!
Oh, no, go kill me, oh.
You see, Richard, I am a kind-hearted man. I do a lot of good things. And I also do a lot of bad stuff. Especially to those people that want to ruin my business.
Hey, Jesus Christ!
Get him up!
Please, oh.
I know you're conversant with this regular word that said do not judge a book by its cover. For those people when one live long, they go just go by the cover. Where my money? I want to see my money.
I go pay. How I will pay?
You go pay.
From A to Z.
You go pay.
To the
He
last.
say he go pay. When I make him pay.
To the last time I go pay. Jesus.
Preach it, say you go pay.
Yes, I go pay. That pay go. That person won't stand go. I'll pay.
Hey, baby, what's up?
Baby.
Come on, baby. What's up?
How are you?
I'm good.
I
You
miss
look good.
you. Did you miss me?
Of course I did miss you.
Are you sure?
Why won't I miss you?
Hey. Anywho, I got you grills.
That is not too much. Come on.
What's too much? Relax, Joe. It's not your money.
That is not what I meant.
Boy, leave talk and eat. See, you should know me. You should know your baby. It's Rosie. I do not like to suffer. I like food. I mean, good food. So I spend real good on
But
them.
these are not good food and healthy food. This is junk.
Yeah, now, let me take my junk.
Look at what you've done to me with all these junks.
No problem now. Let me keep my junk to myself.
Right. Let me take a bite.
So you still want my junk food?
Give me a bite, John. Hello? What? Go did this to you. Is it not the same Gogo that was begging you to use his club for shows?
That man nearly killed me. If you see how him and his boys pounded me like pounded yam, if you see it. Oh my God.
So, how much in all did he say you're owing?
2.5 million.
Wait. Excuse me. So you mean this man beat you up like this because of ordinary 2.5 million naira. This is unbelievable.
That guy is mean, man. So what's your plan? How do you intend to pay?
I don't know. Give me 3 months to raise the money.
What sort of job are you going to get that will pay you so much for you to offset your bills in 3 months?
Andy, that's where you come in. Please, help me get a job in your company. At least let me start with something.
Oh, bro, come off that. You know my kind of job. I'm into real estate and property management and all that. You read theater art. What resume are you going to submit to my company?
Who's your influence now? Talk to your boss for me. Please. I'm hungry, thank you.
Yes, I was informed that you need a job.
Yes, sir. Sir, please, if you can help fix me in any department, no matter the level, I am willing to start small.
Okay, like I told your friend Andy, there is no vacancy right now.
Yes.
The only vacancy that is available is the post of a security guard. So that is it.
I will take it, sir.
Oh.
He already told me, and I'm ready to work.
Okay. Okay. Another thing is that the salary is 45,000. But since you are Andy's friend, I am ready to up it to 70,000 naira.
Oh, sir. Oh, thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. So just be at it till something better comes out. Huh?
Thank you very much, sir. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sorry, yes, sir. Yes, sorry, yes, sir. I understand, sir. Yeah, I promise. I won't disappoint. I'll be right on it. Yes, sir.
You sent for me, sir.
Yes, I did. I just got off the phone with the MD and he is raging mad, asking why we've not secured the deal yet. What's going on?
Sir, I am still in communication with my client. It's just that he's hell-bent on his negotiations.
Which is?
45% equity shares and a down payment of 100 million.
Aye, that's ridiculous. We can't agree to such terms.
Sir, do you see any potential in his proposal?
Well, sincerely, I do. The MD does. I mean, we all do. But that does not guarantee its workability, nor does it guarantee its return on investment or its potency. It's an innovation that has not been tested yet. No reasonable company will approach such a project without caution. Huh? No one throws away money like that. No one.
Okay, sir, here is a suggestion. Why not we increase our bargain? Maybe he would have a change of thought.
Yes, maybe. But that's not a decision I can take on my own. I'm going to push it above and see what they say. Let you know.
Okay, sir.
But stay on him. Stay on him.
I will, sir. Thank you so much.
All right.
I'll get back to you.
Yeah.
Sister?
Yes, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
How was work today?
Whew. Work was fine. Where's Richard?
He's not yet back. Has he been discharged from the hospital?
Yes, he has. Same night.
Really? Don't you think you should call him? He's your husband, you know. See, sister, if you should ask me, I will tell you, the way and manner you act towards your husband is highly disrespectful. I'm sorry. Sister, you know men and an ego. I feel you should, I don't know.
Let me ask you, please. Are you here to talk about my husband? Or are you here to take your money for school?
Sister, you know what I'm talking about. It's the truth. He deserves some respect.
Excuse you? Excuse you? He deserves what? There is a saying that respect is earned. Do you understand it? It's not taken.
But if I may ask, what's really going on between you and your husband?
Debbie, do you have a boyfriend?
What does me having a boyfriend have to do with this now?
Do you have a boyfriend?
No.
Are you married?
There should go again.
Excuse me, if I'm talking to you, you don't roll your eyes. Debbie, do you have... I will start afresh. Sit upright, please. Sit upright! Turn and look at me. Do you have a boyfriend?
No.
Okay. Are you married? Fine. Then I suggest you keep your thoughts, your advice to yourself. Get into the kitchen and get me a glass of water.
I'm just concerned.
I just told you to stop rolling your eyes. Are you mad? You know, I was supposed to go see Mom and Dad, but I still have that in my plans though.
Yeah, considering the fact that you've not seen them for a while, I think you should.
Debbie, do you know how it feels like when you're married, yet you're the one footing all the bills in the house?
No, but I can relate, you know.
Debbie, I have been married for 5 years. 5 good years, but it's as though I'm alone in the marriage. I'm the one footing the bills. I'm the one taking responsibilities of everything. I'm even the one paying the rent.
Hail Mary, full of grace, please pray for me. Help me to become a better person. Help me to be more responsible. Help me to meet my destiny helpers to connect me to opportunities. I just want to make money and take care of my family, Lord.
Is it that serious?
It is serious because nobody knows. I don't tell anyone. I don't relate issues to anyone. I don't even tell Mom and Dad because I don't visit them, and I don't want to visit them because they will keep asking me, why have you not given birth? Why have you not given birth? But who wants to even give birth for a man? A man who cannot take responsibilities and behave like a man.
For a man who cannot provide for his family is worse than an infidel. Help me, Lord. I am that man who has made mistakes. I am here asking for your redirections, Lord. I am here asking for forgiveness to keep my path straight.
This is okay.
It's not okay because all he does is just,
He wastes our savings, spend on unnecessary things, and then he sits back and relax and want me to do all the job.
It's okay. I can feel your pains. Hello, sir. Oh, okay. I'll be on it right away, sir. I will.
In Jesus' name, amen. Father, Son, Holy Spirit.
Hey, big sis.
Where have you been?
Oh, I was thinking you'd be back by now. Like I was expecting you since I went out to get food.
Rose.
Yes, my darling.
My battery is low from your overspending on my debit card.
Oh.
Why?
Well, that's how we roll.
That's how you roll. You spent 700,000 in 2 days and you're telling me that's how you roll. No wonder Dad sent you to live here with me.
But still, you don't give me your card.
I gave you my card for you to squander my money then. Spend it on unnecessary things. Huh? Do you understand I'm not your mother? Rose!
Yeah, you're not my mother, but then you're my big sis. And I am your baddie kid sister. Your one and only sister, Pearl. Anyways, how's Daddy? Hope he's good.
Daddy is very fine. He wants you in Abuja.
Come again?
You heard me?
I'm sorry, what?
Dad wants you to go back to Abuja. Very simple.
God forbid.
What do you mean, God forbid? Is
Why?
Abuja not your house?
God forbid, hard pass, not happening. What am I going there to do? Why do you want me back?
Because you need to go back to your house.
Wait, sister. You mean I should live here, where I have my freedom, and I'm living my life, back to that house, where they will cage me and literally count my footstep? Not happening, hard pass. But do you even realize that my boyfriend lives in this city? Who am I going to live in for? Port Harcourt girls? No will. Hard pass, I'm not going.
Right, your boyfriend. Which date is he coming to meet your big sister again?
Oh well, about that. Yeah. I spoke to him already, and we'll set a date and come and see you.
Which day?
Soon now. Chill, you just got back. Let your pressure calm
Who
down.
just got back? Are you mad? You that is not in the house. I'm about stepping out. You're telling me I just got back. I got back and I've been waiting for you since.
Like you did not miss me. Anyways, what did you get for me?
So how was your day?
I was home all day. When it was my prayer time, I went by the church to say my prayers as I always do.
Same old routine.
Oh yes, I never forget. My mom brought me up in the ways of the Lord.
Now the devil is after your life.
No. Poverty is. I've been struggling for years to stand on my feet genuinely. Every decision I've ever made was to put food on the table. Every step forward I take, I see myself backwards. And that I can't explain. I mean, I'm a graduate. What the heck am I doing with a security job?
This is not time for blames, man. Let me tell you something. If you will agree with me, you will know that you've never made the best of decisions over the years. But good thing you're here now. If I must advise you, I will tell you to hold on to your job and look for other opportunities to get your proposal approved with a better deal. Hey man, take that call. You can't keep avoiding her. I'm talking to you, Richard.
Now I am working and there seems to be a problem.
Please, Richard, let me ask you. Did you ever tell me that you were ready to work? No. Did you ever tell me that you were ready to work? Because if you actually did, I would have gotten you a decent job. Not that stupid gateman job you took. Do you know how embarrassing that job is?
No, it's not embarrassing.
Oh.
Yes. Okay. There is nothing embarrassing about doing something that will put money in my pocket. Except for your stupid ego that will never let you think right.
Oh, please, I do not care.
I know. I know that you do not care because you don't know what you cost me in the public for people to know that my wife is a mad dog.
Your wife is a mad dog. People, let me tell you, those people are actually right about the mad dog, but they are wrong because they do not know who the mad dog is. Definitely not me. You are the mad dog. Because when you got married to me, you never told me that I will be here suffering, you jerk. Oh, please. Excuse me. Where is my phone? Rubbish. Excuse me.
Good day, Mr. Richard.
Yes, sir.
I have asked that a meeting be scheduled with you for 3 p.m. today.
All right, sir. I'll be there soon.
My pleasure. See you. We have reviewed our offer and are now willing to give you 50 million naira plus a 5% stake. Hold on. I know you are happy to hear this, but before you break out celebrating, just sign the paperwork.
Very attractive offer.
Oh, yes.
But it's a no-no for me, sir. Look, I know the worth of my proposal. And I am only asking for 45% share and 100 million naira for a start.
Don't be ridiculous, young man.
I am not, sir. I beg to take my leave. If you want to do business with me, you can always call me. Thank you very much.
Honey. Richard, stop right this minute. What is wrong with you? You really need to go back in there and sign those papers. What is wrong? We need that money, can't you see? I am tired of taking responsibilities of everything. You need to man up. Richard, what is wrong with you? Just go back in there and sign it because this step you're about to take does not make sense. It doesn't make sense and it's very dangerous. Richard, please just go back and sign it. Richard, what you're doing is totally unfair. Richard! Richard, I am sick and tired of your nonsense. I am sick and tired of it. I don't understand what rubbish is this. Tired of all your nonsense. You make plans without considering anybody at all. Where are all his stupid rubbish? Later you will come and take these ones. The ones that are remaining. For now, you take your bag and get out of my house.
Hello.
Richard, this is it. You need to leave my house, please. You need to leave because I am tired. I am exhausted. I am boiling. Do you understand?
Judith?
Yes?
Is everything okay with you?
Everything? Are you kidding me? Is something wrong with you? Are you trying to insult me? Listen, you need to leave my house for me because I am tired. I am tired and I am sick. Do you understand it?
Leave your house?
Yes!
Come on, this is my house.
This is your house. Maybe you're dreaming, so you need to wake up. You better wake up. This house, I pay the rent. I make sure that there is light in this house. Do you understand me? I do virtually everything. Here, I am done. This is your ring. This is it. So please, take yourself, take your useless self, your belongings, and get out. Because I am tired. I am sorely tired. You see me? I am draining and it's not good for me. So please, take it and leave. Get out.
Judith. Judith! Judith!
Get away from my house. Open the door, please. Get out. I'll help you. Come and help me and carry this bag. Are you mad? Help me. Jack it. Jack it and get out. Send him away. Good. Be there. Get out. Nonsense.
Stop this now. Huh? So if people they pursue me from outside to kill me, I run enter your house. You go say make I go back.
Richard, go back to your wife. I don't want no trouble.
Sit down. Let's talk, please. I beg you.
Now, wow. Judith has really changed. I can't believe this.
I'm surprised myself. I know if I believe say this kind of thing happen for my house. The woman I loved and married.
Bro, I want you to brace up. Take things easy. Don't let it eat you up. I know it's not easy, but you have to man up. Do you care for a drink?
A shot but not hard.
I'll be right back.
My client is filing for divorce. with no claim for assets. And she has also obtained a restricting order from the State High Court. And this order prohibits you from calling, visiting, or engaging in any form of communication with her. Here are the papers. We can have your lawyers guide you through the process.
All right, thank you. I will get in contact with my lawyer and have the document signed and forwarded back to you.
Okay. And if you have any questions or you want to get in touch with my clients, my contact details are there. You can reach me.
All right, thank you.
Sis!
Rose.
You? Hiya.
Good evening.
Big sis. Well, meet Andy.
Okay.
My boyfriend.
Right.
Yeah. The Andy. And that's his friend Richard.
So this is Volume.
Hi.
Yeah.
How you doing?
I'm fine, Sarah.
And that's his friend Richard.
Your face. It's familiar. We met before.
I don't know. Do you pray at St. Martin's Parish?
4 p.m. daily. Yes, I do.
Oh, must have said. Well, must have run into each other before.
Well, coincidence. Please come and sit.
Thank you.
Very about chat. Come on.
Thank you very much.
Mr. Andy, I've heard so much about you. Okay.
I like that way.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome once again.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See, now I can have a calm mind because being an elder sister to Rose can be a lot of things. You have a godly friend here, so that means you're a godly man.
Of course I am.
Do you go to church?
Of course.
Why don't you go to church?
But I pray.
Hi.
I pray, Joe.
Please welcome to my house. So I and your girlfriend will go and make something for you guys to eat for dinner. I hope that's okay by you.
Problem.
So how come you have this at home and you never get to play it?
Because I am always working for my father. I don't have time for fun.
I understand that. Well, let's go now.
Okay, sorry.
Oh,
sorry. Sorry.
So, have I told you you're beautiful and spotless?
Thank you. Thank you.
Let me help you do this. Okay. Oh, shit. Okay. Oh, damn.
What? So it's just spoiling. Okay, let me try.
Okay. Oh.
Okay, let's just forget about this.
Oh, yeah. So every 4 to 5 p.m., I normally go to cry to God with this particular prayer point.
And what is the prayer point?
Can we just have fun and then talk about this later? Hmm? Let's go.
This is impossible.
What's wrong?
I know this contract. I was asked to approve this contract.
I don't understand.
Okay, a few months ago, this contract came on the table and my father loved it and he asked that I specifically approve it, right? It was brought in by Mr. Femi, the manager for Broadway Company, yeah?
Oh, yes.
My father runs the company. He owns the company. Now, he did get back to me, but he said you required 300 million and 50-50 shares.
No,
there was no good response.
That's not true. I was only asking for 45% share and 100 million naira down payment. That's all.
That's not... A minute, let me talk to my dad, yeah? Sorry. Who expects my father to come down and run his own company by himself when he has board members working for him? No? So what is the incompetence? Do you probably have an excuse for me? No? Do you have an excuse for me?
No.
That you're all here in this office is because Mr. Femi confessed. He acted of his own accord. If not, all of you are fired. All of you!
What is all this? Does it even make sense to any of you?
Sorry, ma.
I do not need your sorry, please. Of what essence are you to this company if a bill is going to be sent down and you know nothing about the memo?
Ma, I received correspondence directly from the HQ, and Mr. Richard's proposal stated 15 million and 5% equity shares. That's it.
And you didn't think it was doctored? You didn't ask questions. They just sent you a memo, you sign it, because what?
I'm sorry, Ma. I'm sorry.
It's fine. You're forgiven.
Thank you.
This is now your new boss, Mr. Richard.
Thank you guys.
Okay, sorry.
Thank you guys.
Sorry to divide you guys.
Without wasting time, I want to express my gratitude to you, Sarah. Without you, all this wouldn't have happened. I love you so much. Andy, my bosom friend, God bless you for bringing me here. Without you, I wouldn't have met Sarah. And to you, miss, that wonderful invitation was worth it. And I thank God I honored it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
God bless you. Sarah, I love you so much. You're beautiful. You're charming. You have a heart of gold. Without you, all this wouldn't have been possible. I owe you. Trust me, I owe you. So everyone, please can I?
Please get the door.
Okay.
Baby,
Let me get the door.
Yeah, get the door. Sorry.
Easy.
Oh, sorry.
Did you miss me?
I missed you.
Yeah, thank you. Good. And
hello.
Hello.
Sorry. I was so excited. This is Mr. Richard.
Hi, Mr. Richard.
Hello.
And Mr. Andy.
Hi.
And that's
Andy.
sweet girl's boyfriend.
See, we can keep meeting people. Actually, I'm a nice person. You have to make them know that I'm nice.
I know. We both know.
Imagine I was not your younger sister. How would I survive?
I would have survived though.
Guys, please. My joy is, in fact, I'm overwhelmed. Bro,
Yeah.
I'm glad to meet you.
Thank you very much.
Your fiancée here is worth more than gold. She saved my life.
She did.
Thank you so much. Please help me thank her.
And congratulations on your win.
Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. Okay, everybody, please, can you go dress up properly?
Oh, yes, please.
God knows I hold him in high esteem. Give me one more chance, please, and I will make things right with you, oh Lord. Please. Just one more chance, I beg you.
Hi.
Judith.
Congratulations, Richard.
Thank you. If it's about your job, I'm not going to sack you. You can still work if you want.
Thank you. Thank you.
Excuse me. Thank you for everything you did for me. Yes, we've both have our own fair share of life. And I don't blame you for divorcing me. But I won this contract is because of your efforts. And I appreciate them. Look. I still love you. And I want you to give me the opportunity to remarry you and give you that beautiful life you have ever wanted. I promise I'll take care of you.
Wait. Why did you change your mind?
It's because I love you.
Okay, so what about Kate, my lawyer?
Come on. I only invited her to discuss about the possibility of having you back. Remember, she gave me her card to reach out should in case I want to talk to you. I was only obeying the law.
Thank you. Thank you so much for choosing me back.
I will choose you every